Hello all and welcome back to my channel JS Lab. So in this video we will see data types in R, basically the different classes in R. So before that we will see what are variables. Variables are reserved memory locations to stored values. We need variables to store various types of values. So when you store a value in a variable or when you create a variable, that means you are getting some space in the memory, location in the memory. So we need to represent characters or strings, wide characters, integers, real numbers with decimal points, floating points, boolean, etc, etc. So unlike in C, Java and other programming languages, we are not declaring it as a data type. We are assigning variables with R objects, or in other words, everything in R is object. Everything is objects in R. So some frequently used objects are vectors, list, matrices, array, factors, data frames, etc. So all these things will be discussed in the coming videos. So in today's video we'll see 5 basic classes of the objects. So there are 5 basic classes of objects in R. They are numeric, which means real numbers, integers, that means without decimal points, then characters, logical, true or false, boolean, and complex. So first we will see numbers, that means numerical and the integer. So these are our interface. Okay, so I am going to assign a value. We are going to assign a vector. What I am going to do is I am going to enter a number. Okay, 2, 2.3, 2.4, 5.4. So it is saved. So in the right side you can see in the variable x the 3 numbers are saved. Okay, now we can see what is a class. Okay, class of x, it is numeric. Okay, it is shown, it is numeric. So even if you enter 2, it will not be stored as integer, it will be stored as numeric. Okay, if you want to store it as an integer, you should put like this: y, I am giving a value of, I want to put 2 as integer, then 2 and put L, comma 6L. So now see the y, 2 and 6 are given. Now we will see the class of y. It is integer. Okay, so these are the 2 classes of objects in R. Okay, for in the 5 basis classes, 2 basis classes, numeric and integer. So if you want to specify it as integer, you need to add L. Okay, so y you are putting, see this is y is a vector of 2 numbers, x is a vector of 3 numeric numbers. Next is character. Now I am going to assign a value, assign a vector of a, comma, a name. Okay, I'll put a name, Arun, okay, or something. So now you can see z. If I put z, it will print a and Arun. Both are characters. In some other languages it will be strings. Okay, so if you put find the class of z, it will be character. So these are the third basic class of object in R. The other one is logical. Logical means true or false. Okay, so I am giving a value. So to a variable a, I am going to store 2 vectors, which is true and false. You'll get a suggestion as well. Okay, oh, the problem is I didn't put a comma. Okay, it's okay. So true and false. So if I put class, I forgot to put comma, that's why it's shown an error. Okay, class of a, it is logical. Okay, that is the next one, true or false. Okay, that is true or false. Now the last one is complex. So numeric, integer, character, logic. True or false, 1 or 0. That's the thing. And the last one is logical. I'll put b. To the b variable I am going to add 3 plus 9i, comma 5 plus 8i. So it is stored. So b variable is also updated in the right side in the global environment. So if you check the class of b, it will be complex. So now we have seen the 5 basic classes of objects in R, that is numeric, integer, character, logic and complex. So in this video we have seen what is meant by data type in R. Everything is object in R. unlike from other programming languages. And we have also seen different 5 basic classes of objects. That means numeric, integer, character, logic, and complex. So in the next video we will see how to change the classes. Okay, so it means if you are entered as numeric, you want to change it to string, how to do that one. Okay, that we will discuss in the next video. So if you have any comments or suggestions, you may please comment in the comment section below. If you like my channel, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. See you again.